sklearn, Linear Model, Multitask Elastic Net CV. Description: Multitask Elastic Net CV is a linear model that fits multiple responses Y with an elastic net penalty. To minimize the sum of squared residuals, least squares, and the L1 and L2 norms of the coefficients. This is a multitask version of the elastic net. This implementation handles the case where the target is a 2D array of shape n samples. N targets. It will learn a separate coefficient vector for each target. The optimization objective for multitask elastic net CV is 12yxw2 alpha 1 L1 ratio W2 to L1 ratio W1, where point 1 is the L1 norm, point 2 is the L2 norm. Alpha controls the overall strength of the penalty. L1 ratio controls the balance between the L1 and L2 penalties. The elastic net penalty mixes L1 and L2 regularization. It is useful for sparse models, similar to lasso, avoiding ill-conditioned models, similar to ridge regression. In order to select the optimal alpha and L1 ratio, a cross-validation scheme is used on the training set to find the values that minimize the mean. Squared error. Inputs: X array of shape n samples. N features: the training input samples. Y array of shape n samples. N targets: the target values. Outputs: core array of shape n targets. N features: the coefficients of the linear model. Intercept array of shape n targets. The independent term in the decision function. L1 ratio: the L1 ratio chosen by cross-validation. Alpha: the alpha chosen by cross-validation. Steps: fit the model to the data. Use cross-validation to find the optimal alpha and L1 ratio. Train the model with the optimal parameters. Metrics: mean squared error MSE. R squared. Mean absolute error MA. Visualization plots. Scatter plot of the target values vs. the predicted values. Residual plot. Coefficient plot. Fine-tune parameters. Alpha controls the overall strength of the penalty. L1 ratio controls the balance between the L1 and L2 penalties. N alpha's number of alpha values to test in cross-validation. NL1 ratio's number of L1 ratio values to test in cross-validation. CV cross-validation strategy. APES tolerance for the optimization. Uncertainty methods. Confidence intervals to quantify the uncertainty in the coefficients. Prediction intervals to quantify the uncertainty in the predictions. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: multicollinearity. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1 when the features are highly correlated. The model may be unstable and the coefficients may be difficult to interpret. Fixes to challenge 1. Remove highly correlated features. Use regularization methods, such as ridge regression or elastic net. Challenge 2: overfitting. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2 when the model is too complex. It may overfit the training data and perform poorly on unseen data. Fixes to challenge 2. Use cross-validation to select the optimal model complexity. Use regularization methods, such as ridge regression or elastic net. Challenge 3: feature scaling. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 3 when the features are not scaled. The model may be biased towards features with larger scales. Fixes to challenge 3. Scale the features before training the model. Challenge 4: data imbalance. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 4 when the target values are imbalanced. The model may be biased towards the majority class. Fixes to challenge 4. Oversample the minority class. Undersample the majority class. Use weighted loss functions. Challenge 5: outliers. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 5. Outliers in the data can significantly affect the model performance. Fixes to challenge 5. Remove outliers from the data. Use robust regression methods. Challenge 6. Missing values. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 6. Missing values in the data can cause problems for the model training. Fixes to challenge 6. Impute missing values. Use models that can handle missing values, such as decision trees or random forests. Challenge 7. Categorical features. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 7. Categorical features need to be encoded before training the model. Fixes to challenge 7. Use one-hot encoding. Use label encoding.